Are you tired of the constant battle? The relentless struggle with fluctuating blood sugar levels? The nagging worry about high cholesterol? The stubborn, unwanted belly fat that just won't budge? You are not alone. Millions face these very challenges every single day, feeling trapped in a cycle of frustration and despair. But what if I told you there was a simple, natural solution? A solution so humble, so common, yet so incredibly powerful, it could change your life forever. Prepare to have your mind open to a revelation that has been hiding in plain sight. Today, we are going to explore the incredible, often overlooked power of the bay leaf. Yes, that unassuming herb you might have in your spice rack right now. This isn't just a culinary ingredient. It's a potential game changer for your health, a natural wonder waiting to unleash its astonishing benefits upon your body. Get ready to discover how this single leaf could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. A future where you feel more in control, more energetic, and truly revitalized. Let's talk about diabetes, a condition that impacts so many lives. The constant monitoring, the dietary restrictions, the fear of complications. It's a heavy burden. But what if a simple leaf could offer a glimmer of hope? Groundbreaking studies are now revealing a remarkable connection between bay leaves and the regulation of blood sugar. Imagine a natural way to help stabilize those numbers. Research indicates that consuming bay leaves, even just once or twice daily, can be linked to significantly lower blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. This isn't just a minor adjustment. This is a profound impact on one of the most critical aspects of diabetes management. It's about regaining control. The bay leaf doesn't just lower blood sugar, it actively helps maintain insulin rates at a healthy, consistent level. This action is absolutely crucial for effective diabetes management. It supports your body's natural processes, working in harmony to bring balance where there was once chaos. This is the power of nature, harnessed for your well-being. Think about the freedom that comes with more stable blood sugar. The reduced anxiety, the increased energy, the improved quality of life. It's within your reach. Now, let's turn our attention to another silent threat: high cholesterol and stubborn body fat. These issues often go hand in hand with blood sugar imbalances, creating a complex web of health concerns. But once again, the humble bay leaf steps forward with potential solutions. It offers promising benefits for both cholesterol and overall fat management. Imagine a natural ally in your fight against unhealthy fats. Some compelling studies suggest that bay leaves may play a significant role in helping to lower those dangerous bad cholesterol levels, specifically LDL. This is critical for heart health, for reducing your risk of serious cardiovascular issues. It's about protecting your most vital organ. Beyond cholesterol, there's evidence to suggest that bay leaves may also contribute to reducing excess body fat. Especially that stubborn fat around your midsection, often referred to as belly bellows. This area of research is incredibly promising, opening new avenues for natural weight management and overall metabolic health. It's a holistic approach to well-being. Consider the ripple effect of reducing bad cholesterol and excess fat. Improved energy, better mobility, a renewed sense of confidence. These are not just dreams, they are possibilities. How does this seemingly simple leaf achieve such profound effects? The science behind it is fascinating and empowering. Bay leaves are believed to contain powerful compounds that actively work to improve insulin sensitivity within your body. This is a cornerstone of metabolic health. When your cells become more sensitive to insulin, they can more efficiently absorb glucose from your bloodstream. This directly leads to lower blood sugar levels. It's like unlocking the doors to your cells, allowing them to properly utilize the energy they need. This process is vital for everyone, especially those managing diabetes. Furthermore, these incredible compounds support overall healthy metabolic function. They help your body process nutrients more effectively, leading to better energy production and waste elimination. This means your body isn't just managing symptoms, it's working more efficiently at a fundamental level. It's about optimizing your internal systems for peak performance. The bay leaf isn't just a band-aid, it's a catalyst for genuine metabolic improvement. It empowers your body to heal and regulate itself more effectively. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to reveal a powerful, natural detox recipe. This isn't just a drink, it's a synergistic blend designed to amplify the bay leaf's incredible benefits. This recipe combines the potent properties of bay leaves with other health-boosting ingredients, creating a formidable elixir for your well-being. It's simple, yet profoundly effective. Imagine a daily ritual that actively works to cleanse, balance, and revitalize your body. This detox is designed to do just that, targeting those key areas of concern. It's time to take control, to empower yourself with knowledge and a practical tool. This recipe is your secret weapon in the fight for optimal health. You'll need just a few simple, readily available ingredients. No exotic, hard-to-find items here. Nature provides everything we need. First, gather 10 bunches of fresh parsley. Parsley is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, known for its cleansing properties. Next, you'll need 10 fresh lemons. Lemons are renowned for their detoxifying abilities and their rich vitamin C content. And of course, the star of our show, a few pieces of bay leaf. Make sure they are dried bay leaves, as these are most commonly used for their medicinal properties. These ingredients, when combined, create a potent synergy. Each component enhances the others, multiplying their individual benefits. Now, let's walk through the simple preparation steps. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this life-changing elixir. First, take your 10 bunches of parsley and your 10 lemons. Peel the lemons thoroughly, ensuring no rind remains. Place the parsley and the peeled lemons into a large pot. Add enough water to generously cover all the ingredients. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil on your stovetop. Allow it to boil vigorously for a good amount of time, ensuring the ingredients release their beneficial compounds. Just before you remove the boiling water from the stove, add your few pieces of bay leaf to the pot. Let them steep in the hot liquid for a final few minutes. Once the boiling is complete, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Now, it's time to strain your powerful concoction. Using a fine mesh sieve or, even better, a cheesecloth, strain the entire mixture. Make sure to press down on the solids to extract every last drop of the precious liquid. You want to capture all the goodness, leaving behind only the spent plant material. This concentrated liquid is your detox elixir. Finally, pour the strained liquid into a clean glass container. A large glass jar or bottle works perfectly. Store it in your refrigerator. This preparation process is straightforward, but the results can be truly transformative. You are creating a potent natural remedy right in your own kitchen. Now that you have your powerful bay detox elixir, how do you use it? Consistency is key to unlocking its full potential. Consume this mixture regularly. We recommend a specific regimen to maximize its benefits and help you achieve your health goals. Imagine the feeling of your body being cleansed and revitalized from within. This is what consistent use of this detox can offer. Many individuals who have incorporated this powerful drink into their daily routine have reported astonishing results. They speak of a renewed sense of well-being. Some have even experienced significant improvements in their blood sugar levels within as little as 15 days. Think about that, 2 short weeks to potentially see a real difference. This is not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful natural aid. It works with your body, supporting its innate ability to heal and balance. However, and this is absolutely crucial, this approach is a complementary one. It is designed to work alongside, not replace, professional medical advice or prescribed medications. Never, under any circumstances, stop or alter your prescribed medications without consulting your doctor. Your health is paramount, and professional guidance is essential. This detox is a tool, a natural support system, to empower your journey towards better health. Use it wisely and responsibly. Your health is your most valuable asset. While the information presented here is incredibly promising and based on compelling research, it is vital to approach any health changes with caution and wisdom. Before making any significant dietary or health regimen changes, especially if you are managing a pre-existing condition like diabetes or high cholesterol, you must consult a doctor or qualified healthcare professional. This is not merely a suggestion, it is a non-negotiable step. Your doctor understands your unique medical history and can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. The information provided in this presentation is for educational purposes only. It is designed to inform and empower you with knowledge about natural health possibilities. It is not intended to be, nor should it be taken as, professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have heard or read here. Your well-being depends on informed decisions made in consultation with experts. Furthermore, it is important to acknowledge that individual results may vary. What works wonderfully for one person may have a different effect on another. Our bodies are unique, and our responses to natural remedies can differ. Consistency, patience, and a holistic approach to health are always recommended. This bay leaf detox is a powerful natural tool, but it is part of a larger picture of healthy living. Combine it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest for the best possible outcomes. Take control of your health journey, but do so responsibly and with the guidance of trusted medical professionals. The power to transform your health is within your grasp.